Today we're going to be replacing a screen in a 2017 Chevrolet pickup. You see the nav don't actually work on this one. Everything else is working. So we're going to be replacing the radio control. Let's get started. We're going to start off by removing the trim that goes around. That thing is pretty tough, so be very careful in breaking it. You want to have some kind of trim tool, like so, and just work your way around it and pop it loose. Like I say, it's pretty tough clips on this, so be very careful. As you can see, I got it going pretty good here. The real tough ones are in this strip right here, and they make you want to believe that they're not going to come loose and you're about to break something. So you just got to keep working it. Once you finally get it loose, you got a connector on each side for the heat seat heater. Just remove both of them. Set it to a side, and you got gonna have 4 bolts in the corners. After removing the 4 bolts, the screen, the radio controller, has clips on it as well. So you just want to take it at the top and pull it ever so slightly to release it. Pull it down and get to the connectors. They got the 2 up here on the screen and the one down here on the AC controller. If you get your part from GM, it's going to come in a bag. You see a notice on it, do not open it. You want to look through the bag and you want to check the part numbers on the back or the screen, whatever they may be, and you want to make sure everything looks the same before opening the bag, or they will charge you extra for refiling it or sending it back or what have you. So make sure, check over. Now the only thing that's going to be different, that's on all of them, it does not come with the AC control, so don't be frightened by that. It just don't come with it. You have to exchange it from off the old one. You have to just remove it from here and reinstall. You can just turn it over. And you can see it's got a bunch of little clips right there. You take a little pocket screwdriver or whatever, kind of push them down and hold pressure from the other side, and to pop them loose. Here's your AC controller. As I've done removed it, you see the only thing holding it in these little clips here. There's no screws or nothing like that. You just want to get your new screen down. And just pop the AC controller in. Just take it and just put it in place and just push it, and hear it pop in. Then your screen is ready to reinstall. Now you just reverse all steps, going back together with it. Make sure everything's all plugged in. You know, check everything and kind of tug on the wire as you plug in to make sure it's plugged in good. You don't wanna mess with this thing again. There's chances of breaking it. These two little ones here they're booger. There may or not be chances of taking it to your GM dealer to get the screen programmed. Most of the time they come programmed. So if you plug it in and things don't seem to be working right, it just may need to be programmed from your GM dealership. But other than that, everything should be fine. I thank you for watching and I hope all this helps. And have a good day. Thank you.